Welcome back to the Lost Artistry Lash channel, guys. Today I'm doing something so different. I am doing bottom lashes, and I gotta be totally transparent. I've never done this before in my life. So we have my awesome client here, Yoshia, and she is letting me play. So let's do it. First things first, I had her close her eyes and I pulled all the eyelashes that I had already applied back. So they're up on her eyebrow, pretty much. Now it's important for me to keep her eyes closed. So while I place my extensions, I'm gonna keep her eyelid closed. Also, you guys can't quite see this right now, but I'm actually standing in front of my client and I'm holding my lashes. I don't know if it's upside down or backwards or what it is, but it's different. So I'm just gonna keep the lid closed, use both my fingers. So my top finger that's on the iPad is keeping the eye closed. My bottom finger is exposing the bottom lashes. Now I'm just going to place my extension on a natural lash. Okay. It was actually really easy. Cool. All right, so here's what I'm learning. My first obstacle is I'm finding that she has like way too many natural lashes down here. She has actual layers of natural lashes on her bottom lash line. So I'm kind of trying to find the natural lashes that only have one layer, because otherwise I would need to isolate and I would need iPads and stuff. But here, let me try. I'm gonna put this extension on and then I'm gonna try with an iPad to isolate and see if that works. I'm a bit nervous. It won't, because like they'll sit so close to the iPad, but let's give it a shot. So in order to isolate just one lash, I think I'm gonna have to lift down her bottom layer, place the iPad over, and then pull out just a couple of lashes. Maybe I could do one at a time. Let's see how this goes. I don't know how that went. Let's see. I'm gonna say it didn't work. Yeah, no. That's okay though. That's what this video is all about. I'm honestly trying this for the first time. Like, I truly have never done anything like this before. And to be honest, I've always felt like maybe I'm against bottom lash extensions, because I felt like they would get kind of stuck between, like stuck with the top lashes, but I've heard that that's not a thing. So we're giving it a whirl because it looks so pretty. But I'm kind of feeling like maybe bottom lashes are best suited for people with only one bottom lash layer. That's the vibes I'm getting. Because this lash that I placed is looking like it's not a 10 out of 10. It's looking like maybe a 4 out of 10 in my opinion. Okay, if I use another tweezer and legitimately isolate without touching the skin, then what? Okay, this might work, but be really careful. think I'm gonna just call it quits on this. And I think we're finished. No, I gotta put a couple more on, but I have to come to the other side. Let's see. No, I think there's a technique to this for real, and I just really need to practice and figure it out. Direction's definitely important with these because if they're not placed properly, then they're not gonna look very good. Alrighty guys, so I would say this was a huge fail, but I tried it and I learned, and now I'm going to go back to the drawing board. First off, what I'm gonna do is get some more 5 and 6 millimeters. So full, again, transparency is that I only have 7 and 8 in stock right now because we're in the middle of a transition period between our lash lines. So I was like, oh, 7 would be fine, I think. But I'm feeling like 5 and 6 are absolutely necessary. So I would like to do this again with the proper tools and supplies. So I had my client open her eyes and they're not as bad as I thought they were gonna be. They do add a little something to the set. So I'm really excited to do them again with a little more knowledge and see what we can create.